everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel, and today I am coming along with 3 more Christmas cards that I received. The first one is from Miss Blanca Lopez, and so excited. Thank you so much for sending me a Christmas card. Oh my goodness. Season greetings. Oh, these are so cute. Let me see. Wishing you a joyous holiday season and a new year peace and happiness from your crafty friend Blanca Purdy B30. Alright, thank you so much. How cute. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Thank you so much for sharing some of these cuteness. Okay, so there's one, and I'll link her down on the description below. The other one I have is, let's go ahead and open it. And oh my gosh, part of what makes the Christmas season so special is the chance it brings to thank some very special people. Oh my goodness, you guys, I am very bad. Kathy caring people who have a part in making every season of the year warm and wonderful like you. Thank you so much and Merry Christmas. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. Love, Reina Lilo Crafts. Oh, thank you so much. How cute. Oh, I love the card. That is so cute. And then I still have one more. This is my last one. Oh my goodness. I hope each and every one you guys had a wonderful year. And well, of course, the new year is coming. And you guys, I hope you all have a new wonderful year. And oh my goodness. And this is sending blessings for a Christmas filled with God's love and care. You are a strong woman with a heart of God. He is with you always. Thank you for your inspiration to craft and make each week. In friendship, Kim's Inspired Life. Oh my goodness. Look at how pretty. I love it. Oh my goodness. She stamped a Santa Claus. It looks like it's a stamped Merry Christmas, but also a die, and it's, oh my goodness, and a Christmas. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And I think I remember seeing a video, and she said that she was with her friend Lynn, that I believe it's Lynn, that does Stamp It Up products, and she was doing Christmas cards with them. And oh my goodness, oh, this is so cute. I love this. This is cute. So I'm wondering if this is part of it. And then she sent me a tag. Oh, thank you so much, Kim. Oh, and then she sent me this little cute card, just like uses a card. Oh, so cute. And then she sent me this right here. Oh, that's so cute. Officially North Post document. Nice list certificate. This certificate is to inform you that Kathy has been placed on the nice list this year. Keep up the great work. Merry Christmas, Santa Claus. Oh my gosh, I love this document. You gotta tell me where you got it from. It is amazing. I would love to use this for my children next year. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Thank you so much, Kim. And of course, I will link everybody down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for all the extra goodies and the cards. I love them all, and thank you for thinking of me. And hopefully you guys all have a new year, and we'll see you next year in a couple of days. Bye for now.